This is a video on how to replace a broken key or missing key on a Dell laptop. I'm not sure if this is for all Dell laptops, but most of them that I know of, that I have the same type of setup, key setup. Okay, so you see I'm going to replace that one over there, which is the number 7 key there. I'm going to swap it from another keyboard. I'm going to show you how to remove it and reinstall the key. Okay, what you got to do is, in order to remove the key, okay, let's remove the number 7 key. This is the one that this is the donor keyboard, which I'm going to move one of these keys from this keyboard to another. Okay, so under the actual key, there's this little plastic kind of accordion thing. I don't know what it's called, but you have to, and it has two pieces that they're combined together, and it's like I'll show you what it looks like when I remove it. It's kind of like an accordion, but they're like together. Okay, so you have to get a small flathead screwdriver, right? So you kind of gotta go into the key, but try to go over, put the screwdriver on top of those two accordion things. So don't go down, go like over and on top, because you have to hold those down with the screwdriver and then pull this up like that, pull the key up like that, so it'll pretty much hold the key. See this piece here, you want to hold this piece down. This is the accordion piece that I was talking about. See the little plastic piece how it pops up? You want to hold that down like this with a screwdriver. Don't go too far in, because then you might destroy this over here, this little bouncy flexy thing that makes this, that springs the key up. Okay, so you kind of want to go in and hold this down with the screwdriver, so when you pull this open, this doesn't break. Because if you just rip the key out, this might break. This entire thing might break from the edges here, from these little holding spots here, so the whole key might just completely break. So now that you got the key out, this is what it looks like. See these little pieces here that stick out, they attach to this, to the keyboard at these ends. So okay, so once you got the key out, put it to the side. Now you got to remove this plastic piece. Okay, so this is being held, the middle piece is being held on the bottom here. There's like a little, kind of like a little groove that it goes under there. Okay, and this other larger piece that goes around it, it's being held by two sides. So you kind of want to put your thumb and push upward like that, so you can get it out of the top pieces first. Get it out from one side and get out the other. So you kind of want to give it a little slack and kind of like work your screwdriver and get it around like that. See how I got this side out? This corner is out over here. Kind of like want to push it. I kind of stuck it in here, but gently pulled it out of there. So now you want to get it out of the other side. Once you get it out of this side, then you can push downward and take it out. So let's push upward. There you go. Came out. Sometimes you don't have to pry it like in there, because then you might destroy it. So you kind of like, you can go like this under like that and kind of push it out as you're pushing upward. So then you just push it down like that. You see it's gonna come out, because as you can see here, it's like two pieces together. See how it kind of flips like that? See this brown bottom piece there? There's a little gap there. That little gap holds on to this bottom piece, and there's two little sides there hold to these two little metal pieces there. So now that you got this out, that's it. So now let's put this key, number 7 key, on the board that I want to put it on. Okay, basically this one is already in there, so it's already in this one. But you know, I'm going to remove this one so I can show you how to install it anyway, because this one already had one in. So I'm going to show you how to get this key in. I'm gonna do it again. Okay, now I'm having a hard time with this one. Show you how to get this one up. Okay, we got one side out. So let me get this side out now. Okay, got that one out. Okay, so this is the piece here. Okay, I just showed you how to get it out. You get the two sides out from the top, and then you slide it back down. A small screwdriver. Okay, now let's just show you how to get it on. Okay. Okay, there's like kind of like a hook there. I would say like kind of like a hook under and two little hooks on the top. So the bottom piece here, not this piece around it, but the middle piece, the bottom of the middle piece, you want to hook that under this piece, and the two corners, top corners of the outer piece go onto there. So you want to get the bottom piece in first, and then you get the two on the top in afterwards. So I kind of like to push it in like that, the bottom piece. Try to like hook it on. Okay, so it looks like the bottom piece is in. Now you want to get the two piece. This is in, one on one side, and hook the one on the top. You gotta make sure that they're in, because sometimes you think that they're in. So I kind of like to test it to make sure it's in, because sometimes it feels like it's clipped all the way in, but it's actually on the edge, and it might just pop right back up. So the two sides on the two top sides are on the outer top portion. They're clipped in, and the bottom piece, the inner bottom piece, is in the other clip there. So as you can lift it, it doesn't come off. You lift it. So now what you want to do is this is a simple part. You take the key and you put it right in the middle. Right in the middle. Try to get it straight in the middle, and you just press down, and it should snap right in. And once you get it right in the middle, see, simple. There you go. So that's how you replace a key on a Dell laptop keyboard. Sometimes this little white piece here, they may be black. So a lot of them are white, and a lot of keyboards have black ones. So hopefully this helps somebody how to replace a key. And that's pretty much it, guys. So guys, that's it for the video, and that's how to replace a key on your Dell laptop. And I'll talk to you guys later, and peace out.